You won't believe this, folks. We're putting the Worx Hydroshot 56 bar against the Kärcher K7 using a surface cleaner. So let's see how we get on. And being fair to the Worx Hydroshot, we're actually using both models with a suction tube for a fair comparison. So I know we haven't covered this part, but this is the Kärcher cleaning product. Once again, it goes straight into the gun. And that's it. Right, I've got my 4 battery in. Watch. Then remember, with the 56 bar Hydroshot, once you hit a certain point, if it's been run too long, low battery or low water, it drops down to around about 38 bar. So you can see exactly what happens. Right, I've now covered that area. So let's have a look and see what happens. This is a Kärcher with a suction tube. See the difference there, can't you? This is the Kärcher with the suction tube and the surface cleaner. So what would it be like to switch it over to the Worx Hydroshot again, just to finish that piece, to give it some sort of comparison? Well, there you go, folks. Can you tell the difference between the two? Look at that. There's hardly anything in it. It's just unbelievable. The Worx Hydroshot and the Kärcher is very much the same with a suction hose. Just look at that. That's just incredible, isn't it, folks? So the Worx Hydroshot and the Kärcher K7 has got the same pressure with a suction tube. Okay, so just remember that. Your power washers are brilliant. As soon as you put a suction tube to the Kärcher K7, it has the same power as the 56 bar. There's nothing in it. Connect that to the mains and that'll be a different story, because that is a premium product, that one. And the 56 bar, absolutely brilliant, especially for doing that job. And that's what I call a really good comparison. So let's check out the driveway dry. Look, that's incredible, isn't it, folks? It has actually shocked me how this has come up. It was really grotty beforehand. Okay, you could say I could have spent a lot more time on it, but playing around, doing the tests, it's come out really good, folks. I'm liking that a lot. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Gleam Truths. Laters!